Through housing, we are equally revolutionizing financial inclusion. Banks and SACCOs are now designing home loans and rent-to-own products for people that were once deemed uncreditworthy. The hustler is now bankable, and a culture of saving is taking root. The bottom of the pyramid is becoming the bedrock of Kenya's banking future. We are proud of the housing program's momentum, particularly through our collaboration with the private sector. Today, 154 contractors are working with us to deliver homes and to support infrastructure. This project before us here is the single largest housing intervention in Kenya's history. In this project, we are writing new pages of history in the housing program of the Republic of Kenya. And I am so proud that it is happening in our time. Its scale, its integrated design, and its focus on transforming informal settlements make it a landmark in public housing delivery. Residents will not only access housing, but a full ecosystem of social infrastructure. This site alone includes 3.2 kilometers of roads, 14,321 square meters of parking, 9 kilometers of walkways, and 3.9 kilometers of sewer lines. It also has a fire station, a health center, daycare facilities, a strip mall, 32 transformer houses, waste rooms, pump rooms, and more. All these are underpinned by robust mechanical and electrical systems. Water infrastructure here is equally transformative. The project includes a 5 million liter underground tank, high-level storage tanks holding 210,000 liters, booster pumps, and a comprehensive fire water system, delivering services that both dignify and protect this project.